which these party BJP inflicted upon the masses of Goans, the Bahujans of Goa, was to totally destroy the very concept of land to the tiller, and they pushed the tenants to the civil courts for getting the reliefs. Tenant cases which have been transferred to the civil courts are being dismissed. Litigation is costly, time consuming, and that is giving an impetus to the harassed tenants to just give up their rights to the agricultural properties and allow sale of such lands in connivance with the landlords. As a result, large tracts of agricultural lands are being indiscriminately sold by Goan tenants to the money bags from Mumbai, Delhi, and wherever. You name the place and they come from those areas. All this is being so well managed by BJP through what is called the Investment Promotion Board. Almost every industry or so-called investment which has been disclosed by the IPB so far relates to five-star hotels, relates to housing societies, relates to resorts, relates to eco hospitality, and so on. The base is what? Land. The only resource which Goans have and which doesn't grow and will never grow, that important resource is being frittered away. So BJP has resorted to this condemnable act, and fruits of that will be, or results of that will be seen now at the hustings.